Hey guys, so I totally forgot to do a intro, but hey y'all, it's your girl Jazzy J. Welcome to my
All right,
channel.
y'all. Glad you guys came through to see me install this wig from UNice. Isn't this such a pretty packaging? I love this. It's like a coral pink. So let's get inside and check out what goodies we got inside. I love UNice for that because you do get a good bit of goodies that you necessarily need. Sometimes you don't know that you need. Oh my God, what is this? Oh my God, y'all, a pink robe. I need a new robe because when I do my hauls, I know you guys be like, girl, is that the only robe you have? Is that brown one? Oh my God, y'all, look at this. This is so pretty. And this is like my favorite color. Yes, I love this. All right, so let's get into the unit. So I got another bob, y'all, but I got a side part bob this time. I'll put all the details right here so you can get into the length and the color. So here's my unit inside. All right, so y'all know this is different for me. I usually just like black hair, but you know, the fall is coming. So you kind of like want to get into like the burgundies, the orange. Okay, so inside I got some more goodies. You got your hairband. Oh, a few wig caps. I'm not mad at that. This is the color that I need. If y'all watch my other wig installs, I've been using the wig cap this color, which I have on today. But you know, I know how to finesse that. And then also, okay, hair hydro lotion. It's like a hair moisturizer. And then of course, they have some really nice lashes. Those babies are full. Not mad at that. A bonnet. Okay, and this look like a brush that'll help you blend the makeup on your cap. Yes. I actually needed that a few minutes ago. And it's beautiful. It's in this rose gold color, but yes, this will help you blend that on out. Perfect. Alright, so, and I love that the bonnet is the same color as that rose. Alright, so let's get into my bob. It's 12 inches. Wow, yeah, this is definitely a different color for me. But I am super excited about it. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. So excited about this color. Let's take this off. There she goes, y'all. It's like an auburn. It likes has some dark and light tones in there. I can see that. Wow. This color is so beautiful. Okay, no shedding. The hair is very soft. It's really nice. So now let's get into the construction because we all know that's the most important. Let's see what it's giving if I need to do anything with these. Okay, so there's a scalp. Okay, so like I'm not gonna need to do any plucking. And then the hairline, I don't know if y'all can see that, but let me just wait. The hairlines isn't bad at all. Cause you know, I'm a simple girl. I'm mom, fast paced, out the door all the time. I like my units to where I can just throw them on, glueless, and keep it moving. So yeah, I'm excited to install it. So let's go. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do, because you guys, like I just said, I do not, sometimes I'll glue them down, but I prefer to keep it very quick and easy install. So I'm gonna take my Fit Me powder and go around the edges of this unit. To me, it just gives it more of a flawless, you know, it just blends really well. And just in case, inside you got 2 combs or 3 combs, and you got your band to tighten it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some powder around the edges of the unit. You guys have seen me do this before. If you have not, make sure you check out some of my wig installs I've been doing. I appreciate all of you guys so much. And I hope you guys are liking the new content that I'm bringing to the channel, because yes, it's fashion, but guess what? Fashion, it starts from what you wear underneath your clothes all the way to your hair and makeup as well. So I hope you like this all around We're getting into everything on this channel. And y'all stay tuned. I got a juicy girl talk coming up too. I'm just going in a little bit more on the front of the lace. And you can apply as much makeup as you need. So now that I have enough makeup around my edges, I'm going to go ahead and put it on. I already have on my wig cap, and I've already put a little bit of makeup on my cap as well. Because like I said, I had the wrong cap color, but this usually does the trick for me. It's just applying some makeup around the edges. So even though I say I'm not gluing it down, I do put a little bit of got to be glue down on my head and call it a day. Alright, so I'm going to give you guys some tunes to listen to while I put this bad boy on. And then I'll give you guys my thoughts on this unit once I put it on. yeah, so I got her installed. I was trying to go for like a messy bob, like wild curls. I mean, I kind of sort of accomplished that. Yeah, I mean, she curls good. I just wish I had my big wand curler, but this side is actually really great how I wanted it. Like just this real wild, messy bob. Which I think. Oh God, I'm messing it up even more. But yeah, if I had my wide, big barrel, that would have been perfect. But she does curl really good. I actually like this color on me. Starting to really like explore with colors. This may be a color that I would wear this fall. This spicy auburn. Hmm. What y'all think? I like it. I just, like I said, I really wish I had that wider barrel so I could get like that big, nice 70s swoop right there. But I don't know. I'm going to keep messing around with it, see if I could get it to do what I wanted to do. But I like it. Oh, wow. And this hair is just so soft. It lays down so good, as y'all can see. It looks really, really, really good. I'm not mad at it at all, Miss Spicy Auburn. What y'all think? This is so different for me. My gosh, she's giving so cute. So, my reviews really quick of what I think about this hair. I think the hair is really great. The texture is really soft, really, silky. The scalp, you don't have to do much. If I wanted to lighten it, I could add a little bit of concealer. But I didn't have to bleach any knots. It was really simple. If you're not the type if you're a beginner, like myself, I literally just sprayed my guy to be glued, let it dry, put it on, and I mean, she is on there. She's gonna last me all day. And I mean, look, it's a nice, flawless unit. The hair can be curled, it can be cut. I mean, it's just so nice, and it gives like a real natural feel to it. So yes, I think that this is a really good fall wig. The color is definitely giving me fall. Oh yeah, I love it. She didn't shed, but for the pieces that I cut from the front. But other than that, yeah, there's no shedding. Yeah. What y'all think? Y'all like this color? Yes, I'm feeling it. So yeah, like I said, I'll put all the details to this wig below. So if you guys want to check her out yourself, you can. But yes, I can't keep my hands out of it. It's so soft. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, so we're going to get into some closer look at this wig. And you guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thumb this video up. We are on the road to 2K. We're hoping to get there by the end of this year. So share this video with your friends. And if you like this unit, there'll be a link to it down below. Let UNice know that your girl sent you. No, this is not sponsored, but just let them know that I sent you. All right, so let's get into a little bit of slow-mo. Y'all know how I do, so y'all can really get into this unit.